not the gold, the silvery one. Right, all prepared today. Right, I've got a customer who wants a egress era fitted on the door with a replacement cylinder key like. So what I'm going to do is show you what I do to key them like. So I've got the pinning kit out ready to go, and then all I need is a cylinder, which of course is going to be on the bottom. Yep, there it is. Right, so there's a cylinder, there's the keys. The most important thing is when we've got the cylinder, so we're going to make these keys fit this lock. Okay, we've got a little pinning kit here, well, not pinning kit, tool kit, whatever you want to call it, tweezers and all that up. Right, take the key out. First thing to do, you can see this one, they put it this way up, so we'll do it back to how they've done it. There you go, that's out. What I'll do is I'm going to pinch this back round. There we go, that's out. It should be, there we go. Right, so I don't lose it, let's put it there. Okay, this is the key. When you put it in, if you want to take the key out, make sure you keep pressure on the plug and then pull the key out, otherwise the hole that's going to come out can make a big mess. So in doing that, make sure you get the right follower to put in there. This one should do it. On this one I'll probably do it as well, but I like this one. So put the key in, then twist it aside. Don't turn it to here, otherwise all the pins are going to drop into that slot and make a big mess. So just turn it slightly, then you want to push. So don't pull on the plug, just push and allow it to come through. Okay, so that's that. So now just get rid of these keys so you don't get them confused. I did do it once, I pinned up the lock to the old key again, so it's like nuts. Then take out the pins. What I try and do is salvage possible pins that are in there to put back in. So 1, 2, 3, third one looks quite deep, so I'm going to put the third one in there. Nope. Okay, so the deepest one's not deep enough, but it might go in 5 or 6. Let's try 5. Perfect. Okay, the shortest one is probably that one, so let's try it in position 1. See if it's like. Nope, too long, so that's no good. So 1, 2, 3, that's it. 1, 2, 2's quite low. Let's try the 2. Nope, no good. So let's go for the pinning kit. Right, so a shallow one. Let's go for the reds. Oh, wrong way up. That's too long anyway. So remember, it's got. There we go. It looks slightly raised. Now we can try that though. And the next one's a bit. Could be this one, the next one. Nope. So these are different heights. So maybe it's going to be a gold run. No, it's still too long. $15. $15. No, it's 190. 105. Hang on. They're going up. So down effect would be here. Don't make that. Huh. I think some of these are mixed up in the wrong trays because in fact that's slightly raised. Oh my god. I'll put this in the middle. Right. That one is the shortest. So if I went for this one here, which was yes, now that makes sense. So the pins are in the wrong trays to each other. Obviously it's got a little bit of a mess up. And this one should go in here, which is too short. So let's take that one out. Too long. So I wonder whether this had a mismatch. It's slightly longer. Let's see if this goes shorter. Whoa. It's even shorter. So I've got a feeling there's a bit of a mash up on pins in here. Just a fraction difference. So effectively this is taller, which is correct. So it goes up in height there. So really means it should be a green. But no, it's all messed up. Okay, that's better. Now let's go for 260 on here. Oh, too short. Let's go 310. Too long. 285. .285 looks pretty good. Then this one should be the same as that one, so green. Nope. I reckon this is from that. Yep. And then deep on there, so let's try 260. Perfect. And that was slightly deeper, so we'll go for the 285. Slightly too long, so 285. Let's go for the 280. That's better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in like this, because if it's too high, that won't allow me to push in. So now when I'm pushing in, I'm just relying on this, pushing this in. Oh, hang on, just double check it. Pushing this in. So it's got stiff there. So something isn't quite right. Let me just try again. It's a bit stiff. Just going to give it all. See if it will mark on the pins. So there it's loose. This is the imperfection of the cylinders. Let's see. Did it rub? I think it's this one here. So I think that was 285. Is it? 285. So it might be the 2. Yep. You know what, I'm going to go the green one a bit shorter as well. Yeah. And this one, I'm going to go for the one a bit shorter. Go on. Whoa. That'll be this one. If I remember rightly, this is going to be too short. I know. Right. Now let's try it. Ah, much smoother. That's it. There's a little slight catch. Just going to double check. Have a look. It's that green one there, it's rubbing slightly. So that might be another one that's going to be the gold. Not the gold. The silvery one. Whoa, that's too low. Green. Oh. Which one's that? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's the deep one. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's number 4. So it can be this one. That's better. Much smoother. There we go, perfect. Alright, then what we'll do, put this back on here. We'll do it to the way they did it. Put the bar in. Give it a squeeze up. Like a twisty squeeze. There we go. I'll just try and lift it on the ridge. On both sides. And squeeze it. I'll make sure you do this bit properly, because I have fitted a cylinder before and the customers put the key in and the whole plug's pulled out. How embarrassing was that? So there we go. That's it. Job done. So now key works there, and you'll work on this one. And when I get on site, I'll put the graphite in oh no, there it is, look. Always like giving it a little puff. Oh, blimey. Little puff. Even if they're new locks. Oh, smooth. And smooth. So yeah, I should be one happy customer when I fit that. Job done. Cheers, thanks for watching.